Hello and welcome to this educational video titled Problem Identification and Opportunity Discovery course. Technopreneurship. Let's begin by asking a simple but powerful question. Where do great business ideas come from? Are they just sudden inspirations? Pure luck? Or is there a method behind discovering powerful innovations? Let's find out together. 1. Understanding problem identification. Problem identification is the process of recognizing and understanding real issues faced by people, organizations, or society. It's the very first step in any entrepreneurial journey. Why? Because every great business starts with a real problem. A technopreneur is like a doctor. Before prescribing a solution, they must understand the disease. Likewise, before building a product, we must first explore the pain points. Problem identification is not about guessing. It's about listening deeply, observing behavior, and asking the right questions. 2. Why it really matters. Many startups fail, not because the founders weren't smart or hardworking, but because they tried to solve the wrong problems. They built things people didn't need. They assumed problems without confirming them. They didn't listen to the users. That's why identifying a genuine, painful problem is much more important than building a cool product. If you start with the right problem, your chance of building something valuable increases dramatically. 3. A real example. MSMEs in Indonesia. Let's take a real example. In Indonesia, many micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs still struggle to record their financial transactions. Some use paper notebooks. Some rely on memory. Some don't record anything at all. As a result, they can't track profits, control expenses, or apply for loans. Their business can't grow efficiently. This is a clear, painful, and widespread problem. And it's also a hidden opportunity. 4. How to identify problems effectively. Here are some practical methods you can use to discover real-world problems. 1. Direct observation. Watch how users behave in real settings. What frustrates them? 2. User interviews. Ask open-ended questions. What's the hardest part of your day? 3. Surveys and feedback forms. Useful to gather data from a wider audience. 4. Social media and forums. Reddit, Facebook groups, Tokopedia reviews, all rich with pain points. 5. 5 Whys technique. Keep asking, why, to dig deep into the root cause of a problem. These tools help you move from assumption to insight. 5. Opportunity discovery. The entrepreneur's superpower. Once you've identified a problem, it's time for the next phase, opportunity discovery. This means looking at the problem and seeing a possibility to create value. You're not just saying, this is a problem. You're saying, this is a problem I can solve, and people would gladly pay for that solution. 6. Let's revisit the MSME example. Back to our earlier example. Now that we know many MSMEs struggle with financial records, we ask, greater than, what if we build a simple mobile app that helps MSMEs record income and expenses? It must be easy to use, free or affordable, compatible with smartphones, maybe even integrated with QRIS or e-wallets. Sounds great, right? But wait. There's a crucial step before you start coding anything. 7. Validate before you build. Validation means testing your idea before investing too much in it. Talk to potential users. Show them mock-ups or prototypes. Ask, would this help you? What features do you really need? Would you actually use this? Use tools like Figma or Canva for mock-ups, Google Forms for surveys, landing pages to measure interest. Your goal is to find evidence that your idea matters to real people before writing a single line of code. 8. The true role of a technopreneur. Being a technopreneur is not just about creating apps or websites. It's about being deeply human-centered. A technopreneur identifies problems, listens empathetically, designs solutions using technology, creates value and impact. You're not just an innovator. You're a bridge between pain and possibility. 9. Summary. Key takeaways. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. Checkmark problem identification is about deeply understanding real-world issues. Checkmark opportunity discovery turns those problems into creative, tech-based solutions. Checkmark validation is the bridge between idea and product. Checkmark a great technopreneur listens first, builds second. By mastering these steps, you increase your chance to launch something useful, meaningful, and impactful. 10. Final message. Thank you for watching this video about problem identification and opportunity discovery. I hope this inspired you to pay more attention to problems around you, whether they're small annoyances or big societal gaps. Because somewhere in those problems is your next business idea, your next innovation, your next impact. Keep observing, keep asking, and keep building. See you in the next project.